Installing a skimmer is one of the most effective methods of removing leaves and debris from a pond, as well as providing a protected location for the pond's pump. The Signature Series 1000 Pond Skimmer is the flagship model among the line of Aquascape skimmers. This state-of-the-art skimmer includes all the features and benefits you'd come to expect of a professional-grade filter. Starting on the outside of the filter, you will see that the skimmer is constructed out of extremely durable, UV-protected, high-density polyethylene. The rounded shape and curved edges of this filter are designed to provide maximum strength when buried in the ground and enable the filter to withstand freeze-thaw conditions found in colder climates. This shape gives the Signature 1000 advantage over straight-walled, rectangular-shaped filters that frequently bend and distort over time. And as with all Aquascape skimmers, this filter is backed by a lifetime warranty. Moving down along the outside of the skimmer, you will notice the watertight bulkheads used for its plumbing connections. This is a nice upgrade from open-hole plumbing ports used with traditional skimmers. This provides a professional, watertight connection to attach the pump's plumbing, as well as keeps water, dirt, and mulch from entering the backside of the filter. Going around to the front of the filter, you will see that the Signature 1000 is equipped with a large 8-inch wide skimmer opening that can handle flow rates up to 10,000 gallons per hour and skim pond surfaces up to 1,000 square feet. Now moving on into the inside of the filter, one of the first things you will see is a large injection-molded rigid debris basket. This basket is the first stage in mechanical filtration and is designed to remove larger debris from the water. A handle at the top of the basket makes it easy to remove to empty the debris. The rigid style of the basket makes quick work of removing debris and is a nice upgrade over traditional mesh skimmer debris nets, which can be more difficult and messy to empty. The second stage in filtration is the high-density filter mat. This semi-rigid filter mat strips out the smaller dirt and debris that pass through the debris basket. The filter mat is reusable and can be periodically rinsed down to remove the debris it has collected. The filter mat sits on top of an injection-molded rack that supports the filter mat and creates a protected chamber for the pump to sit in the bottom of the skimmer. This pond skimmer is designed to be used with 1 or 2 pumps, depending on the needs of your application. The Signature 1000 also includes a locking weir door. Temporarily closing this weir door allows the pump to remove the water from inside the skimmer vault, allowing you to keep your hands dry when performing maintenance. The locking door comes in handy when removing the filter mat or if you want to inspect or conduct maintenance on the pump. A feature exclusive to the Signature Series 1000 skimmer is its patented adjustable faceplate. A critical step during the installation of any skimmer is excavating a hole for the skimmer so it is buried at the proper depth in relation to the water level in the pond. You basically want the water level to be about 3/4 of an inch down from the top of the opening. If the skimmer is set too shallow, the water level in the pond cannot be raised high enough, exposing the top of the skimmer and starving the pump of water. If the skimmer is set too deep, the skimmer opening will be completely submerged when the pond is filled, and the filter will not skim the debris off the surface of the pond. The patented adjustable faceplate allows you to make final adjustments on the height of the opening by as much as 3 inches. It's also extremely useful when setting multiple skimmers on the same pond. You can make sure each skimmer is set to the exact same height by adjusting the faceplates. The Signature 1000 comes equipped with 2 bulkhead ports. For more common single-pump applications, one bulkhead is designed to connect the pump's plumbing, and the other is designed for the pond's overflow. The angle that the bulkheads are positioned can be used to your advantage by choosing the bulkhead that works best with the direction you want to run the plumbing. If you are using 2 pumps, both bulkheads are used to connect the pump's plumbing. A third bulkhead can then be added in the center for the pond overflow. The overflow feature automatically maintains the pond at the proper maximum water level. In an overflow situation, such as a heavy rain, the excess water is allowed to travel out the back of the skimmer through a buried pipe that directs the water to drainage area. The Signature 1000 includes an adjustment elbow that allows you to position the overflow to match the water level set on the adjustable skimmer faceplate. Hiding poorly designed pond filters can be difficult, if not impossible. The Aquascape skimmer is buried out of sight along the edge of the pond and includes a natural-looking faux rock lid that makes it extremely easy to camouflage. This is normally an expensive upgrade with other filters. The Signature lid is designed with a hollow underside, giving the rock a low-profile look on top of the skimmer, and also helps disguise the side edges of the skimmer. The rock lid can also be orientated in a number of different positions, which enables you to find the one that helps the top of the skimmer blend in with the other rocks surrounding the filter.
At Aquascape, your paradise is our passion. We connect people to water the way nature intended. We've been creating and field testing water features for over 30 years to provide you with the most reliable products at the best value.